Showering may seem like a simple and routine task, but there are actually some tips and techniques that can enhance your showering experience. First, make sure the water temperature is comfortable for you. Some people prefer hot showers to relax their muscles, while others enjoy cooler showers to invigorate and refresh themselves. Once you step into the shower, wet your body thoroughly by standing under the water for a few moments. This helps to open up your pores and prepare your skin for cleansing. Next, apply a small amount of your favorite shower gel or soap to a loofah or washcloth. Gently scrub your body in circular motions, paying extra attention to areas prone to sweat or oil buildup. Remember to also cleanse your face using a facial cleanser appropriate for your skin type. After rinsing off the soap, apply a moisturizing conditioner to your hair, focusing on the ends. While your hair is being conditioned, take the opportunity to shave if desired. Rinse off the conditioner and any remaining soap thoroughly, making sure no residue is left on your skin. Finally, step out of the shower and pat yourself dry with a soft towel, ensuring you dry between your toes and any other areas prone to moisture. By following these steps, you'll not only leave the shower feeling clean and refreshed but also enjoy a moment of self-care and relaxation. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe to this channel.